Sit rep, 1 hour in, Ree's not here, which is
times.
sit rep, 2 hours in, still no Ree. Lush, delightful. Sit rep, 3 hours. We've got Ree. We made it to West Grinstead. Sit rep, hour 5. It's gorgeous. You've got Ree. But your galvin's working. Sit rep, hour 4. At the caravan park. Sit rep, Saturday morning. How you feeling? Still no Ree. Yay! Climb 1, nearly done. Gorgeous. Sit rep, 2 out of 7 climbs done. How you feeling, Nikki?
Absolutely grand.
You doing, Ree?
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Ripping it up.
Ripping it up. What a twat.
Captain's log, day 2. About 20k into the ride and about 300-400 meters of climb. It's going all right. We've just stopped for a little break. And what have we got here? I'm holding on to every ounce of fluid I can.
Sit rep. It's not going well.
Sit rep.
Captain's log.
Captain's log. Bike down.
Unfortunately, we've got a man down. He's got a little puncture, so we're just stopping for an early lunch. We've got a delightful bit of pasta and meatballs that I've just done in the jet boil. But yeah, we're probably a little bit behind schedule, but nothing to concern us too much. We're halfway through climb 3 of 7, so nearly halfway. See you!
Sit rep. We're struggling. It's pretty bad, it's rough. But there's a silver lining. Silver lining. Oh, Ree! Hey!
Captain's log, 30k in, another 40 to go to Petersfield, and we found this delightful little cafe called Cadence. A nice piece of cakey. Captain's log, it would appear that we've broken Farrar. And we've still got Ree.
Sit rep 38. Lee's still here. Except Ree's still here.
Oh, Ree's still here.
And Nick's just left.
Captain's log, hill 5 of 7. Still going, about 3:15 in the afternoon. How are we feeling, Lee?
Wicked.
Why is that?
Because Riri's not here! Yay! Sit rep.
Hill 6 of 7 done.
Shown as a green green. Can't be that.
Captain's log. Hill 5 done. Or is that Hill 6?
That was 6.
Hill 6 done.
We've got one more left.
One more left. And we think it could be that bitch in front of us.
Hey now, I'm no bitch.
Alone on a hill, a man with a foolish grin is keeping perfectly still. But nobody wants to know him. They can see that he's just a fool, and he never gives an answer but the fool.
You can smell the beer.
Captain's log. 7 of 7 hills done. No downside.
Oh yeah, he is still here.
There is a downside.
Sit rep. Hour 12, 6. Sure. Irrelevant. We've been going forever, but we finished the downs. Well done, boys.
Captain's log. Wild camping. We've come to the corner of a little field and we are hoping there isn't a bull in it. Long day in the saddle, but epic. Everybody's exhausted, a couple of tinnies and then a little sleepy, methinks.
Sit rep, morning 3, 6 a.m. We wild camped in this wonderful field, which is an active cow field with a nightclub over there, a train line down there, and military operations happening over there. Good recce, boys. Sit rep, 6 a.m. Day 3. Quarter to 6. Still not even 6 a.m. yet. You haven't had, what is that? You've not even had water yet, Nicky.
Or sleep.
Oh.
Hey, so you couldn't fight that. Give us a hand.
Sure. Sit rep. We've made it to Guildford. And good news, Riri's going. Hey!